Alright, so I'm just throwing this quick video together. As some of you may know, I've started a project for Fanime 2018. Hopefully it gets done by then. But that project is Project BoomBlaster. Basically, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be making a boombox that resembles a piece of Octarian technology from Splatoon. I'm not sure if I'm going to be cosplaying as an Octarian. Not sure yet. Probably not. I'm too busy. I'm too lazy to make a costume and all that. But I'm definitely down on making this piece of technology. So basically what I got going here is from the mains, powering this little amplifier right here, is a Dell server power supply that's outputting at 13.2 volts. With a max output of 60 amps of current. This little amplifier right here, this fucker's tiny. It's no bigger than the palm of my hand, but it is a Taramps TL600. I have no clue what kind of witchcraft the Brazilians are doing when they make these amplifiers, but trust me when I say that when it says that it's putting out 85 watts RMS at 2 ohms per channel, it definitely does it. This thing is loud. Acting as the preamp right now is this Juno.T amplifier that I got off of Parts Express. I'm not going to be using this one in the build. I'm going to be ordering a new one, the one that has the Texas Instruments chip in it, because they don't make the T-amp ones anymore, and I kind of want to keep this one. I don't want to take it apart. But this is acting as the preamp, so basically this is sending signal to this. As much as I like this little amplifier, the only downside that it has is that it has no RCA input, so I can't input anything directly into it. I have to run something to it. So theoretically, if you were running this in a car, you'd actually run it from the speaker outputs from the car stereo straight into this, so no RCAs would be in the mix at all. So basically, this is sending power to that. This is boosting it and sending it to the speakers. Now for sound source, I got this Kobe cheap MP3 player. I needed some, so I'm using my phone to record this, so I needed something to play something off of. And those four right there are Pyramid WX65Xs. They are 6.5-inch woofers, though I think they're a little undersized. I think they might only be 6 inches. But for the back, well, I mean, I could probably just show you a demo of what these things sound like. They sound like crap right now because they're not in a box. They're free air. So they're not going to sound the greatest. But just to show you how much output this little sucker has, I'll put something on. Give me a second. That one. So, of course, the amp is not at full power. It still has a little bit more headroom in the volume knob, but the little speaker's maxed out. Like, they couldn't move any further. Since they are free air, I don't want to damage them. But, yeah, this little sucker puts out quite the punch. So, yeah, that's the basis of the project. As far as tweeters are concerned, I'm going to be running 2 piezo horns. That way I can keep everything at 2 ohms and not tangle myself up in mathematics trying to make a crossover for these. I mean, because sound quality is not going to be the #1 priority for these. It's going to be outright loudness. And as far as if the box is going to be ported or not, I have an answer for that question. It's right here. It's a passive radiator, so I'll be copying those little tiny Bluetooth speakers, but scaling it up to an absurd amount. All right. This is Radio Raccoon signing off. Have a good one.